hi to the vlog. This is my groupmates turned friends. Ay, friends ba tayo? Sila prep room para kumuha ng distilled water. I'm eating turon. I thought you liked turon. No, I like turon. This is for real! Dito ba na sa kabila? Daddy, this one's for you.
Tapos iyan yung isa yung gas. Okay? O wag mo nang tatapakan.
Oh, gas!
Wag masyadong tapak na ganun, konti lang tapak.
Konti lang?
Taas mo yung komportable ka, yan, tapos yung brake.
Oh.
O, ayan. Wag masyadong ganun, konting lang, yan.
Ganun lang?
Oo, ganun lang, okay?
Oh, tapos.
O, apakan mo muna yung brake.
Ito? Brake?
Apakan mo mabuti yung brake.
Diin ko?
Oo, tapos
Paano ito tataas? Just push?
tapakan mo, tapos iganon mo, mamaya may kotse na
Oh my God.
didiinan mo ganun para didiinan mo ganun.
Pinipindot to?
Bago mo yan, press muna yung brake.
Press,
Laging
naka-press.
Yun lang, diretso. Sige.
Tingnan ko muna. Ganito lang ka,
Tingnan mo yung guhit mo.
How would I... Oh my gosh, I'm driving.
Dali na, itapakan mo yung isang tapakan mo yung drive, yung gasolina. Sige. Sige, tapak.
Kasi hindi ka nakakatakot magturo. Mami, hindi ko na kaya lumiko.
O, tapos stop. Yun, ganun lang.
Tapos bibitin to?
Oo, sige pa, hanggang doon sa pinakang dulo.
Girl, hindi ko na kaya... Uy! Hindi ko na kayang lumiko.
Hanggang doon lang sa may sa may kanto.
Kaya ko iliko doon.
Sige, go. Sige, go. Sige, go. O, sige pa, iliko mo na papaganon.
Girl, hindi ako marunong lumiko.
Ayaw mong lumiko, sige.
Wait.
Sige.
Makakasalubong.
Ate, dito tayo Walang makakasalubong yan. Dito ka lang,
Hindi
Sige.
ba ako,
Sige, diretso. O, tingin sa kaliwat kanan.
Kaliwat
dito.
kanan.
Ganun mo nga, ano mo
Ganun
na.
ka
Sige
na?
na, oo. Ganun mo na, sige. Ganun mo na. Totaling ganun.
First time ko
dito mo. Tingnan mo kung meron dyan sa kaliwa.
Wala. Ipapark ko na.
Sige, diretso mo.
Nagagas
Uy.
Hindi. I-park ko kaya?
Sige na, go.
Wait.
Tingnan mo yung Tingnan mo dun sa kabila. Tingnan mo baka may sasakyan.
Hindi, wala.
Okay, go. Punta ka dun. Sige. Go.
Ito na, nag-go na ako.
Ganun na, ganun. Yan.
Wait, sorry. May coach na, sorry.
Okay na.
Okay na! Wow!
park
That was
mo.
so nice! Tapos
mo na.
break ko.
Break.
Woo!
Yan.
Ang galing, mas gusto ko ito magturo.
Good morning. So for today's video, I'm gonna eat bibingka. I already stopped for this. It's only 8:40. Maaga pa. Let's taste this. I just wanna say that ang sarap.
Sarap!
Alam ko pag yung mga bibingka na ate, paki-zipper to. Dali.
Oh my gosh, like every bite may parang buko. Ano yan?
Puto byong-byong.
Oh, her favorite.
And now we're eating puto bongbong.
Hindi pa na. Ito yung puto bumbong na nakakain ko sa gilid.
First time ko natikman with cheese. Parang wala namang difference.
I eat bibingka now. Ang sarap niyan, I swear. Nakikita yun. Ganyan.
Nakikita nga yung mukha ko.
She's gonna eat bibingka. So makita ko masasarapan ka kasi nasarapan ako. It's just 9 a.m. We have time. Sarap. Taas naman standards nito. Hindi masarap? Kanina masarap nung super hot. Ang lambot pa niya.
Masarap, pero
Pwede
yung
na.
sarap na yung sa lilo na Iba yun
Ang layo naman yung hinahanap mo. Baby, eat this kasi ayaw niya. Bye.
With the hot milk. Okay. Sorry, we look like a mess. Uy, nandamay. Kasi, you know, this is serious. Kakasabi niya lang. Ano ulit yung sinabi mo kanina? Breeder ko ang Kel. Kami naghihingalo na kami. Breeder niya yung Kem. Compared sa iba kong subject. Mas magaling.
Bayak na kami sa chem daw.
Hi guys!
Isa pa yan. Breeder niya ang Kem for sure. Sabi niya breeder niya daw yung Kem. Sige nga, pakita mo nga kami. Bigay mo sa...
Sabi nga ni Gab, sabi di ba ni Gab, I love chem.
Sino nagsabi?
Ikaw, sabi mo dun eh.
Why are you gaslighting me words?
Patunayan nyo nga, bigyan nyo nga kami ng computation.
Uy,
Charot, C1V1. Ay, arte. Eto na, magsasagot na kami, okay, bye. Don't disturb us. Ay.
Okay, now I see it. Good.
It's my first ever
I
internet.
really cannot see it if it's too small.
International conference pala to. Pala ko nationwide lang.
Parallel sessions. Please.
We're almost there. They're just gonna play my recorded presentation and then I have to be there sa Zoom when kailangan ng question and answer. I'm not nervous, I'm more than excited. This is an international conference. I thought it was like a nationwide lang. Wait.
From the Department of Agribusiness Management and Entrepreneurship.
Good morning, everyone. It's currently 7:21 a.m. Can you believe it? And believe it or not, again, I just said, can you believe it? Ano, okay pa, kaya pa. We're gonna go to Tagaytay. Yeah, tomorrow I have an exam. So, gusto ko kasi mag-review sa Tagaytay para yung ambience ko, para para ma-inspire. I'm just kidding. May conference si mommy na kailangan niyang puntahan. And syempre, as your living side mirror, kailangan ako doon. Kailangan ng presence ko. Naligaw kami. Nag-road trip kami. We're supposed to go. Ang layo na namin, but we're gonna be there very soon. 43 minutes to go. And now, magpapakabit kami ng RFID sticker kasi wala kaming RFID sticker for Calax. She's there. She's filling up can you see her? She's the one in green. There. So, naligaw kami. And yung U-turn is like from Santa Rosa, Binyan yung U-turn. And now we have to go back to Santa Rosa again. But it's a good thing na it's her first time driving here sa SLEX. I'm so proud of her. But, okay lang. Sabi ko sa kanya, it's okay, we make mistakes and it's your first time. Give yourself a break. Nalilito kami. Hindi talaga... This is the part where I realized na what if ayoko na pala maging strong, independent woman? Hindi, charot. I mean, pwede, may iba pa naman. Never mind. I'm just gonna keep it to myself kung ano yung solution. Pero marami namang solution, And I'm just elaborating, obviously, dahil we have a long way to go. 43 more minutes. And also my exam, I'm looking forward to it. So parang, we're halfway done. Na-excite ako sa exam because I know I'm prepared more than ever. And yeah, this is where we are right now. Freaking And yeah, believe it or not, after unexpected, unplanned road trips, we're here. We're finally here. We made it. Ito naman, obvious naman with all the pine trees. Yes. So yeah, we made it here. I'm so proud of my mommy. She's so galing. I said, mamaya magdidrift na to, girl. Yeah, thank you for inspiring. Kasi kanina may nakita kaming Ferrari in front of us. Na-inspire siya, naalala niya sina Lek, ganyan. Sina Lek, favorite niya. Si Science, my favorite. I'm so proud of you, mama.
Ate, meron kang
My mom.
lotion.
My mommy. Yeah, but it's on tape. Galing talaga ni mommy. Believe na ako sa'yo. Gagawin na namin tong kusina yung Tagaytay. Sabi ni mommy, nanginginig pa rin daw siya. Isipin mo, baliktarin mo, adrenaline yan. Yan yung after effect ng adrenaline. Anyway, nanginginig pa siya. And I said, yan yung tinuro sa akin ng UP. Dapat mabilis ka mag-move on. Pagkatapos mo mag-exam, huwag mo na isipin kung tama ba yung mga sagot mo kasi meron pang susunod. Kung bagsak ka sa exam, move on ka kasi meron ka pang isa eh. Hi, mommy! Look what I'm doing. I need to review. So galing naman, this girl. So proud of you, girl. We're here at Tagaytay, so magagaling. Bye! Entry. And now we're going back.
Tapping with my fingers.